Let's save some money on AWS CloudFront. I'm going to show you 5 ways to achieve it straight to the point. Consider subscribe and like this video. Let's start. So the first thing, as you may know, CloudFront is a CDN. So the less number of location, the cheaper. So if we enter to any distribution and click the edit button, here in the price class, you can select the location. So the first option is the all location, which leads to the best performance, not because it's faster or more powerful, but based on the number of locations. So no matter where the user is around the world, it will hit catch location sooner or faster, which is also the more expensive one. The second option is only North America and Europe. This is the cheapest one. And the last option is North America, Europe, Asia, Middle East, and Africa, which is like a mix, something in the middle. So which is the best for you? It depends on your use case. Where is your audience? Where are your customers? In case you are running operation only in America and or Europe, then the second option is the best one and the cheapest. In case you are running operation in some countries that are included here in the last one, in Asia, Middle East, and Africa, your option is the last one. And in case you can pay the best one, you can select the first one. Which one to choose in case you have customer or users in all the world, but you cannot afford the first one? I would suggest the third one, which is like a mix. Because I remember the first one includes South America, which if you have a huge traffic, you will pay more. So that's it. Now let's go to the policies, which is we will see here. For my distribution, I'm using this custom policy for caching. So select, check which one you are using, and then edit the one that you are using. So here, let's go to edit this one. And the second point is to edit the time to live setting for the cache. So here you can set the minimum, the maximum, and the default time to live. How much time to live to set up? It depends on your use case. How often do your team refresh your content in your CloudFront? Is it daily? Is it hourly? Is it weekly, monthly, or whatever? It depends. The higher the time to live is, the less requests and the less data transfer you will get. So it will be cheaper. Also take into account that you can force a caching validation. If you want to learn more, let me a comment and I can make a video for that. And for the next point, if we scroll down, here you can see the compression support. Enable the gzip and brotli compression. We will save some data transfer cost. So make sure you have enabled. Now let's back to the distributions. The point number 4 is another thing you can do in order to save some money. You can block some countries or allow other countries to serve your content. So for instance, select any distribution, go to the security tab, and then below you can see the CloudFront Geographic restriction. In my case, I don't have any, but you can set here whatever you need. You can allow a list of countries specifically, so your content will be only shown in the country that you select, or the opposite way, you can block a list of countries. So for instance, if your company or organization do not operate in some countries, you can block the traffic for that countries. So you can save some requests and some data transfer in that countries. This is especially useful if you are using the expensive location, the old location, if you remember in the point 1, and then do you still want to block some countries. And the last one is to check the behaviors of the distribution. In my case, I only have one, but sometimes in some distribution you may find a list of behavior here, and each one could be doing different things. In my case, I'm only serving the content from a S3 bucket, but here you can have several behaviors using Lambda function and so on. So make sure you have only what you really need, and then in case you spot anything that you don't need, you can sell it and then delete. And that's all. I hope it helps someone somewhere. Consider like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.